Another month, another purse switch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another purse switch video. You guys seem to really like this when I did this back in, my glasses are really dirty. Anyways, you guys seem to really like my last one I did during Vlogmas, so I think I might keep up with tradition and do one of these a month. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Okay, that's better. My hair is a little, everything's just a mess, but that's fine. Let's get into my purse for the month of February. Yes, these are the little things that make me happy nowadays since we are in a low spend, no spend, under consumption journey, which has been broken in the last couple days. But I just want to say I was never going to be super strict with it to begin with, but I definitely went a little crazy, especially buying my son some summer clothes. So I got him like a ton of clothes at TJ Maxx. I couldn't resist. I'm going to be switching into, and I kind of already have some stuff in here. This is my pink Goyard tote. I actually did get this for myself for my birthday, and I totally forgot to show you guys. Absolutely love it. Comes with the wallet, you know, trendy, whatever. No, I had to get it in pink. I was going to get it in like black. Hated it. I don't know. There's something about it I just didn't like. I already have a few things in here. Clearly, we already have this Hello Kitty keychain on here. I actually got this from Burlington like a long time ago when I went. So far in here, I just have a new pack of tissues, because if you know, you know. And I got one of these. If you watch my TikToks, I went to Dollar Tree and I actually got a couple of these. What the hell is this called? A first aid kit. I have one in here for my son, and there's one in his diaper bag now, which is great. This was the bag I was using. I was using my Paris Hilton bag. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I do, but it got real annoying real quick. So I went to my old work bag, actually, which is my tote. Got this from Temu, I think a few years ago. They were pretty easy to come by, the fake Marcjacobs bags, but I love this bag. It holds everything. I can wear it. I can wear it crossbody. I can wear it over my shoulder. I really like this bag. Our sanitizer wipes, because now my son is sitting in a shopping cart, and when I don't have his little cart cover, that's all. So we have those. Son's little bag, which we already know, it has a whole bunch of his stuff. I have currently in here an extra noonie for him, diapers, some wipes. Now this is all his. I figure it's kind of fitting, even though it's pink, because it has little bears on it. Then I also have my bag, which is a little Kylie bag, that I just have some pads, tissue, pills, all the usual suspects you guys have seen before. I feel like I might end up having these float in my bag. This I actually have to take out and put away. This is for one of my Touchland sanitizers. I finished the one that was in my car, so now it's just hanging out. Gloves, of course, for me. Beanie. I think I might change this one out though. I always have a beanie in my bag because I never know. This is my Lance 210 one. Real Techniques makeup thing, because this was apparently one of the bags that I sold to Plato's. So sorry about that, but I got it back, so that's good. I also just wanted to say quickly, if you guys remember me hauling this for my birthday, this little kit, it's nice, but don't buy it. If you see it on sale on clearance, don't buy it. I don't like the little puffs. I don't really like this, but it's in my bag, and I use my points on it, so here we are. Gum wrappers, flippies, just in case, because you never know. Sometimes I just like to put my hair back. My hair always creases when I sweat. We know this. I have a random nickel, so I'm rich. I also don't have my fake nails on right now, just to get a little break. My God, I'm dying. I need my nails back. They're so weak. I hate it. Okay, anyway, in the little pockets, I have my Hello Kitty Touchland. I'm always using this. My usual suspects from Velvet Caviar, my sticky, my wallet, my battery. This little bag, I just have some Hello Kitty hand cream, which is actually pretty nice. It works really well. It smells nice too. So this was a good buy. Okay, and then finally the big pouch. This is like where I keep my main things, you know, my main Victoria's Secret wallet with all my things in it as usual. Pack of Orbit, actually in a brand new one, Sweet Mint. I'm trying to just use these up, honestly. I love it, but kind of want to try a different gum. I finished one of my lip oils, so I have this Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss Juicy Lip Oil and Gloss Hybrid in watermelon, sour watermelon in here, that I'm wearing right now too. For something like today, when I just literally did some quick errands with my mom and I didn't feel like putting makeup on today, sorry. Tower 28 lip balm in watermelon kiwi. Love. Kylie lip liner in Siren. Aquaphor, as I need this now. I didn't realize how badly I did until this cold freeze has been hitting New England. AirPods, I don't know why they're in there specifically, but that's fine. A hair clip, this is the one I have in there for Valentine's Day, very cute. Tower 28 liner in Work of Art, I love this one. O'Keeffe's Lip Repair Lip Balm, I like it, but it leaves a film on my lips. Tower 28 gloss in Iced Pistachio, if you know, you know. The Victoria's Secret Pink by Pink perfume, smells really good. Kylie Supple Lip Glaze in Sweet Nothings, which, fun little fact, I was actually this came as a lip kit. I bought it for myself for my birthday. I was gonna return it because I was like, oh, I don't really like it. But then I was like, you know what? I used points on it. I'm not gonna get anything back for it. Might as well just use it. So we are using it. And I kind of do like it now. I have a tag. If you know, you know. Okay, that's all. My little brush thing that I actually love, and I actually think I need this right now. Gosh, look at my roots, you guys, but it's so nice. It's so nice to have roots. I actually was gonna go in the bathroom and brush my hair before this video, and I forgot because I was too concerned with switching laundry. Does anyone else hate when their part just like, ow, gets all weird? I'm probably gonna have to put nails back on. All right, that is everything that was in the tote bag. I also had all of my little keychains on here. I actually ended up using, I don't know if I had changed any of them actually. Maybe I didn't. My little cherry, which I'm keeping on because I have the obsession with cherries like the rest of the world right now. And my little backpack, very cute. And then I had my little fuzzy doggy. So obviously we have Hello Kitty. I think I'm just going to key the dog and the little cherries on there too. Just make it cute and fun. Not my best work, but she's cute. You can't see the cherry, but that's fine. I don't really care about that too much. Since it comes with this little thing, I don't know if I should just like, people use this as a wallet. I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, I can take it out. Might do that actually. Oh my gosh, or you could like attach something else to it. That's so cool. I didn't know that. So we're gonna just leave this on standby for now. I don't really want to use that. I think I'm gonna put the first aid kit, if I can fit it in here, if I can fit it, because if you're a mom, you know you know. You know what? We're just gonna leave it. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, big bag, first aid kit, my bag, wipes. Oh, that is a thing I don't like about this bag. There's no inside pocket. What am I gonna do? Start crying. I guess I could just throw everything in here. Not everything. All right, AirPods I'm taking out. I'm gonna take all my lip stuff out right now. Gum I think can just float around. This is coming out. This, I guess I'll keep for now. This can float around. These are gonna have to go in here. They can't float now, but I'll just keep these on standby. And then since we have this cute little dangly thing, what I'm thinking of doing is attaching my sanitizer to it so I could find it. Oh, that's so convenient. I love that. All right, so this is our new bag. I'm very excited about it. She's giving mom on the go. She's not too big, she's not too small. I feel like this is like a perfect size, but time will obviously tell. Our new bitch, and we love her. Definitely be using her for February. I kind of get why they're hyped. I really love the colored goyards. I really just don't like the black. I don't know why. If they had like a black on black, do they have a black on black? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. It's my bag now for February. Hello Kitty, pink dog, cherries. I have like an intense cherry obsession right now, you guys. It's insane, and I'm trying so hard to just be a good noodle. But again, time will tell. So with that being said, oh wait, I didn't put these in there. I want to switch out my beanie, so those will go in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and definitely like, if you are someone that's like trying to not spend money and trying to recover from a shopping addiction, this is the kind of things that make me happy, is like switching up my purse, putting charms or keychains on it, like just doing things like this of things I already have. It just sparks me so much joy, so much more than shopping ever does. As I said at the beginning of the video, I did break my low no spend a little bit the last couple days, but let me tell you the regret I feel, and I'm like, oh my god, even though some things that I bought I actually did need, but we're working through it. We are realizing we need to channel our shopping into something else which I've been working on, and it's been great. But sometimes, you know, you are going to spend money here and there, and that's okay too if it's once in a while, just not all the time. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications to know when the posting a video, and I will see you on Friday for another podcast episode. I'm so nervous about this season of podcasts because I'm getting a little bit more deep, and I'm really saying what I really feel about a lot of things, and I don't think that's gonna go over very well, but that's fine because everyone has an opinion and everyone could share it, and you don't have to like everyone's opinion. That's okay too. Same with political views. Let me not go there. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.